If you're driving your Ram 1500 at night with those dim, yellowish halogen bulbs, you're not just missing out on better visibility, you're compromising your safety. The right LED headlight bulbs can transform your nighttime driving experience, giving you crystal clear vision that's up to 10 times brighter than stock halogens. I've spent weeks researching, comparing specs, and digging through thousands of real customer reviews to bring you the absolute best LED headlight bulbs specifically for the Ram 1500. Whether you're running the 4-headlight setup or the 2-headlight configuration, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1, we have the SEALIGHT S1 Pro light bulbs. This combo gives you both 9005 high beams and H11 low beams, which is perfect if you've got the quad headlight Ram 1500 setup. The brightness here is absolutely insane. We're talking 30,000 lumens per pair with 16 high-performance chips. That's 800% brighter than your factory halogens. What really sets this apart is the beam pattern. SEALIGHT engineered these to replicate your original halogen beam with a sharp cutoff line, so you're getting maximum visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. That's crucial because the last thing you want is to be that guy flashing everyone on the highway. Installation is ridiculously simple. True one-to-one size design means they fit right into your stock housing. No modifications, no external drivers hanging around. Just plug and play in about 3 minutes. The advanced turbo cooling system with aluminum heat dissipation keeps these running cool even in extreme temperatures, and they're rated for over 60,000 hours. That's basically 15 years if you drive 10 hours a day. Now here's something to consider. At $50 to $70 for the combo pack, these are definitely on the pricier side of our list, but you're paying for premium quality and the latest technology. The IP67 waterproof rating and 99.9% CAN bus compatibility mean you won't be dealing with error codes or flickering issues that plague cheaper bulbs. Coming in at number 2, the Termitor H11 light bulbs. This is where things get crazy. 115,000 lumens total output. Yes, you heard that right. That's 1,000% brighter than halogens, and the difference is night and day, literally. What I love about Termitor is their reputation. They've sold over 8 million units worldwide, with 8 years in the automotive lighting game. These aren't some fly-by-night Amazon brand. The one-to-one miniature design mirrors OEM specifications perfectly, and customers consistently rave about the straightforward installation process. The precision beam control is engineered to replicate your original filament placement, delivering a concentrated beam with a sharp cutoff. No dark spots, no scattered light, just clean, focused illumination that lets you see road signs, wildlife, and obstacles way before your old halogens ever could. Here's the impressive part: 85,000-hour lifespan with premium aviation aluminum construction and a 15,000 RPM cooling fan. The IP68 waterproof rating means these can handle anything: rain, snow, mud, you name it. And with 99% CAN bus compatibility, you're getting plug-and-play performance without error messages. At $45 to $60 for a 4-bulb combo pack, the Termitor offers ridiculous value. You're getting complete front lighting for less than the cost of a single premium bulb from some brands. At number 3, Marsauto M1S light bulbs. It's not trying to be the brightest bulb on the planet, but it delivers exactly what you need with proven reliability. These feature 7035 chips delivering 800% more light than halogens. What really stands out is the nearly perfect 99.9% CAN bus compatibility. Marsauto has seriously dialed in their anti-flicker chip and built-in decoders, which means you're getting clean, stable light with zero radio interference or dashboard errors. The dual copper pipe cooling system is smart engineering. It maintains consistent performance without overheating, and you're looking at 60,000 plus hours of lifespan. The whole aluminum body construction with IP68 waterproof rating means these will survive whatever your Ram goes through, whether that's daily commuting or weekend off-roading. Installation, lightning fast. True one-to-one design lets you twist out the old bulbs and twist in the new ones in literally 3 minutes. No extra wiring, no external drivers, no headaches. Here's the consideration. The 6000 Kelvin color temperature is slightly cooler white compared to others on this list at 6500 Kelvin. Some people prefer the slightly warmer tone, while others want that crisp daylight white. It's personal preference, but something to think about. At $40 to $50 for the complete 4-bulb combo, Marsauto M1S gives you excellent mid-range performance with a track record of satisfied customers. If you want reliability without overpaying, this is your pick. Number 4, SEALIGHT L2S bulbs. We're talking 20-plus years of lifespan here, which is absolutely bonkers. The secret is in the thermal management. SEALIGHT equipped these with a 25,000 RPM cooling fan that's significantly faster than most competitors, combined with premium aviation aluminum housing. This advanced cooling system keeps the bulbs at optimal temperatures for consistent performance year after year. You're getting 90,000 lumens of total brightness with pure white 6500 Kelvin lighting that has zero shadows or dark spots. The beam pattern is crystal clear without any glare that would bother oncoming traffic. The wireless design is clutch. True one-to-one halogen bulb size means no external drivers or messy wiring. Everything fits cleanly behind your factory dust cover with 3-minute plug-and-play installation. And 99.99% compatibility, you're looking at seamless integration with virtually any Ram 1500 configuration. The thing to consider here, at $55 to $75 for the combo pack, you're paying a premium for that extended lifespan technology. If you're planning to keep your RAM for many years and want a set-it-and-forget-it solution, the extra cost makes sense. But if you're upgrading a truck you might trade in soon, you might not need 20 years of bulb life. For RAM owners who want maximum durability and are willing to invest in quality that lasts, the SEALIGHT L2S delivers peace of mind. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Torchbeam T2 light bulbs. Don't let the lower price fool you. Torchbeam has sold over 1 million T2 bulbs globally with a 4.6-star average from over 5,000 verified buyers. That's serious credibility. The 2025 upgraded JIP delivers 90,000 lumens total output with enhanced down-road visibility and zero glare. What's really cool is the instant 0.01 second lighting response. These bulbs light up immediately with seamless transitions and no noticeable delays, which is actually a safety feature you don't think about until you experience it. The 0.05-inch ultra-thin copper substrate solves common flickering and dimming issues while delivering a focused light pattern that keeps oncoming drivers happy. The latest hollow heatsink design, combined with a 16,000 RPM turbo cooling fan, provides 60,000-plus hours of lifespan. Installation is dead simple with the non-polar plug-in design. Just plug it in, connect, and you're ready to roll. And with 99% vehicle compatibility and advanced smart IC drives, you're getting minimal CAN bus errors or radio interference. Here's what to keep in mind. Being the most budget-friendly option at $35 to $45, you're getting slightly less advanced cooling technology compared to the premium options. Some users in extremely hot climates report the bulbs running warmer than higher-end models, though they still perform within normal operating ranges. All the Amazon links for these bulbs are in the description below with current pricing. Thanks for watching. Drive safe out there.